What's up, everybody? StevoFS here. How's everybody doing today? I am doing fantastic. Thank you for asking. As you can see, I'm on my baby. I just picked her up from the shop. Oh, how do I miss her? God, I just wish it wasn't raining. Trying to clean this thing off. As you can see, it's raining. It's been raining for like 4 days, 3 or 4 days. It's slowing up, and I was able to get the bike, so I'm heading. Well, I headed over here to Gainesville and got it. So now I'm on the way home. I mean, I got to bring her back in maybe a week or two to get some stuff sprayed on it. But other than that, she's done. I'm so happy. And I didn't tell them to do this, but they put frame sliders on my bike. Another one on my, so, woo, better stop. But yeah, I got frame sliders on here. So I appreciate them doing that one. So now I have 2 sets. Which is nice. Let's go, Milkman. Milkman! Hopefully we get out of this part. On the way over here, it wasn't raining. A few lights up ahead, so hopefully it's stopped. Get some on this dry road. I don't like being by this fucking semi either. But she's back. I'm happy. I'm just happy to have her back. Fucking, I can ride again. God, it's been almost 5 weeks, man. 5 weeks without my motorcycle. And I've been going fucking crazy. Alright, look at the sky clearing up. Thank you. Yeah. Wendy's! Ooh, I want to go to Wendy's. I ain't got no money though. Look at those clouds. Go away! Damn you, clouds! Is it raining up there, guys? Let me see by your windows. Looks like I might still be good. Oh, I don't know about how long though. Man, that looks bad up there. I really hope I don't catch that. Oh man, yeah, that's definitely rain up there. Oh boy. Oh man. Oh man. Here we go. Look at this fucking rain. Man, yeah, it's right there too. Right there on the fucking road I'm going on. Come on. No! No! Oh, shit. Well, I guess, guys, it's not going to work out for me. It's going to rain on me. I was really hoping that I'd beat it. It's not going to happen. Damn it. Maybe it won't rain the whole way. Rain, rain, go away. Come back another fucking day. Oh, rain! Why? Why, rain? Don't be an asshole. Stop the rain. Oh! And they're big drops too. Oh, you fucking assholes. This rain is so hard just for me. Mr. Copper, I'm sorry, I didn't mean to speed. Sun's poking out. I mean, it wants to. Oh, yeah, look at that rain. It's fucking coming. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, Billy! FM radio. FM radio. Why are you rolling backwards, bro? Why are you rolling backwards, bro? This is Newberry. Maybe one day we'll go ride through here when it ain't fucking raining. Apparently this backyard barbecue is supposed to be the shit. I've never been there. One day I'll go. Turtle! Buddy, you better hurry up! Car's coming! Popo everywhere! They're everywhere! Sorry, Popo. Ain't getting me today. Oh man, that's rain there. Oh, that's rain. I don't know if y'all can see that up there, but that's a lot of rain. I gotta turn right here, so hopefully hopefully I can get out of here before it gets here. 'Cause that would suck. Yeah, that's definitely rain over there. Hopefully I can beat it. Oh, I can feel it. I can feel the rain. The rain. Fuck you, cows. You got shelter. Smell the grass. Cut the grass. Dude, it's raining, man. Get out of the rain. Cut that shit another day. We are home. That's right, girl, we're home. We are home. Thank fucking God. It's a miracle. We made it. Alright guys, well hopefully I get the more videos pumping out now that I have my bike back. As you can see, most of the videos I posted have been kind of older stuff because I couldn't do anything new, so I had to use what I had. So, if you enjoyed any of the previous stuff, you want to see more, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you enjoyed, get in your own fucking lane, guy. Go ahead and hit that like button. And as always, peace, love, and unicorns. Stevo out.